Hi, I'm Anastasia, and today in my kitchen I am going to make some homemade sleepy time tea. The truth is, I actually started making my own homemade herbal tea when my favourite ethical brand, rather sadly and unfortunately, got took over by a massive unethical company. And rather than denying myself the joy and pleasure of this delightful nighttime tea, I decided to make my own. And then I found out that it's actually more resourceful, it's more fun, and it's a lot easier than you might think. So today in my kitchen, I'm gonna make my favorite sleepy time nighttime tea, and I'm gonna show you exactly how easy that is to make. So let's go have a look. So in this recipe, I'm going to use 4 different herbs. These are 4 of my favourite herbs, but I want it to inspire you. There might be a different herb that you want to weave in, or you might just want to use one of them. So the key ingredients here are chamomile. Chamomile has been known for the longest time to act as a mild sedative, just to help induce a sense of peace and calm. It's very common to be used as a nighttime sleepy time tea. You can use that on its own and it's absolutely delicious. It's also really good for the digestive system and has other wonderful health benefits to it. The other key ingredient of this sleepy time tea is rose petals. Now, rose petals also has a wonderful reputation as a mild sedative. It's anti-inflammatory and antibacterial, and it has a very uplifting, relaxing scent to it, as well as that nice little colour. And I'm also bringing fennel seeds into this recipe, excellent for the digestive system. Basically, I'm bringing that in to help balance out the flavours. And the other thing that I'm bringing into this recipe is licorice root. It comes in ground form or chunks, doesn't really matter. Excellent for the digestive system. All herbs have a myriad of wonderful health benefits to them. This is just a nice combination that works particularly well to soothe your system in the evening, to prepare you for a wonderful night's sleep, with a couple of mild and gentle sedatives to help bring that sense of peace and calm. So all of these are available from a good health food store or a good herbal shop. Also zero waste shops that seem to be springing up all over the UK. If you have one of those, go and support them. You can buy them in bulk, so they go a long way, and they actually work out a lot cheaper than some of these herbal tea blends that can actually be quite pricey when buying them in their box with their little tea bags. One of the best ways that I've found is this little metal holder here. You just pop the herbs in the top there and then sit it nicely in your cup. I've also got this nice little teapot that someone gave me. All you want is something in it that's going to hold the herbs, going to allow it to strain, pop it in. You can put it in a regular teapot and use a nice little strainer. And I've also got this little glass pot, which is actually not that practical. It looks nice, but you know, the holes are so small that the tea doesn't really infuse that well out of it. So just find something that works for you. If in doubt, just use a regular teapot with a tea strainer and you'll be good. So I've got the kettle on, some nice filtered water. So what I'm going to do is put a nice heaped tablespoon of chamomile flowers in there, and a tablespoon of rose petals. And before I've even made the tea, I can smell all these delicious aromas starting to dance together. And then I'm going to put a pinch of licorice in there. If you don't have licorice, just leave it out. And then fennel. If you have a pestle and mortar, just pop about a heaped teaspoon of fennel seeds in there and give it a bit of a crush. what that does is it just releases a little bit more of that goodness. Nice. Oh, it smells so good. And pop it in. And then all I need to do now is pop in the water and let it infuse for about 5 or 10 minutes. And that is gonna give you a nice sense of peace and calm and balance, just to lull you off into beautiful night's sleep. If you don't have all the ingredients, just wing it. That's what I do. That's where all the best recipes come from. So let this inspire you to create something delicious. And if you try something different, let me know in the comments. If you try this, please do let me know in the comments how you get on. Come visit my website, kindearth.net. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.